Evolution AB has seen a significant drop in its share price recently. Here's a breakdown of the likely contributing factors. Regulatory concerns in the US, major factor. Illegal operations probe. The most significant impact comes from the ongoing investigation into potential illegal operations in the US. A report alleged that Evolution's games were available in US states where online gambling is illegal. This news, initially reported by a competitor, triggered a sharp sell-off. While Evolution denies the allegations, the uncertainty surrounding the investigation and potential legal ramifications is weighing heavily on investor sentiment. Potential fines and penalties. Investors are concerned about the potential for significant fines, penalties, and licensing issues if Evolution is found guilty of any wrongdoing. Reputational damage. Even if exonerated, the negative publicity surrounding the investigation can harm Evolution's reputation and potentially affect future business prospects in the U.S., a key growth market to market sentiment and analyst downgrades. Negative news cycle. The negative news surrounding the U.S. investigation has fueled a negative news cycle, further dampening investor confidence. Analyst downgrades. Several analysts have downgraded Evolution's stock rating or lowered their price targets following the news, further contributing to the decline. These downgrades reflect analysts' concerns about the potential risks and uncertainties associated with the investigation. Profit-taking. After a period of strong growth, some investors may be taking profits, especially given the current uncertainty, broader market conditions. Risk aversion. The current global economic climate is characterized by uncertainty and risk aversion, driven by factors like inflation, rising interest rates, and geopolitical. Investors are generally more cautious and tend to shy away from stocks perceived as risky, such as those facing regulatory scrutiny. Tech sector weakness. The broader technology sector has experienced a downturn in recent months, and this weakness can spill over to related industries, including online gaming for live casino market competition. Increased competition. The live casino market is becoming increasingly competitive, with new entrants and established players vying for market share. This increased competition can put pressure on margins and growth potential. Short selling, possible but less likely. Increased short interest. Negative sentiment and potential investigations often attract increased interest from short sellers who bet on a stock's price declining. This could create downward pressure on the stock price, but it is less likely the main reason in summary. The primary driver of Evolution's recent stock price decline is the ongoing investigation into potential illegal operations in the U.S. This issue has created significant uncertainty and raised concerns about potential fines, penalties, and reputational damage. The broader market conditions and competitive landscape are also playing a role, but the regulatory concerns are the most impactful factor. The situation remains fluid, and the future performance of Evolution stock will largely depend on the outcome of the investigation.